Hi, welcome. This is the video for the final sprint of CSE 542's summer course. This project is about 3D tracking CrazyFly 2.0. The link to the GitHub code is given in the description below. As mentioned in the GitHub README, you can see that this camera is a basic VGA camera from Logitech, which is pointing downwards. We're using a cardboard rectangular surface in order to as a background in order to avoid the carpet interfering with the detection of edges. This is a crazy fly which is currently active. However, at this point we are unable to fly it via the mobile app, so we'll manually move the drone with our hands. As of now, as you can see, there are two codes in the GitHub repository. The very first one is something you can use in order to test whether your webcam is getting detected by the code or not. um, this is how you can run it. And as you can see, the webcam gets a black and white video feed directly uh, displayed on the screen. So you can use this in order to check which of the cameras, because laptops have a normal VGA camera by default as well. So this is used in order to check which of the cameras is currently active. In case the laptop's default camera is captured, if you run when you run the webcam test, what you can do is you can go ahead and open the webcam underscore test.py in a notepad. And if you see the very third line over here that says cap is equal to cv2.video capture 0, it will probably be 1 in your case. So you can go ahead and change it, or even if it's 0 and it's capturing the laptop's camera, you can go ahead and change it to 1, save it, and then run it again, in which case your USB camera will now be detected. Now we'll go ahead and run the main code which is used to track the drone. Now, as you can see, a new interface comes up on the screen as soon as you hit the command. The command, etc., have been given in the README in much detail. All you have to do is go ahead and download all these files and just run these commands directly on the command prompt as soon as all the prerequisites have been installed. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the mobile app is unable to connect with the Crazy drone at the time. So, ideally, we'd be controlling the drone via the app and showing you the changes in the coordinates. But yeah, as you can see, the z axis over here is something that increases as the drone gets closer to the camera. And if the drone is then starts to fly around, you can see that the x, y, and z axis values keeps changing. Yeah, as you can see, they keep changing as the drone is moved around. And if we were to keep the drone back on the floor, you would see that the value of z would gradually come down to around 0. Yeah. Now, as you can see, all of this is calculated in real time without any delays, and all you have to do to escape out of this is to hit Q on the keyboard, and it would go ahead and stop the file. In case you have any other difficulties, you can always contact us on GitHub. We've entered our email addresses, and we'll help you out with any issues. Thank you.